Wow, 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 guys. Terra Luna, the volume is exploding. But let's not have a look at this price right here. This correction is okay. It's pretty healthy. But before I get into a technical analysis real quick, let's have a look at the price analysis of the volume, the market cap, and the volume to market cap ratio. So first of all, almost 100% of the market cap is being traded. As you guys can see, 1.73, 1.74. Well, this hasn't even been refreshed. If I refresh it now, it will be 100%. 99.59, okay? The volume is $1.764 billion, guys. 1.7, almost 2 billion. We are nearing $2 billion of transaction volume. That is insane. That is crazy. Up 58%, and the market cap is even higher right now. It's even lower than the volume. So this is crazy. Now imagine you would take 1.2% of this and burn it. That is crazy. That is insanity. And before I get into the video, you guys might be asking, wait, what burn are you talking about? I mean, what airdrop are you talking about? There's an airdrop happening right now? Yes, there is an airdrop happening right now. As you guys can see right here, reward pool 60 million Lunc made by MEXC Global. Okay, so they are offering a 60 million Lunc airdrop to new users only. So you have to be a new user, and of course it ends in 3 days, 1 hour and 6 minutes. So make sure you click the link in my description below. You could also win up to $4,100 in trading bonuses and get it on. This is of course the MEXC Global Exchange. You could trade futures, you could trade Luna, you could long, you could short, and whatnot. So of course, Binance, you can really long Lunc, they don't allow you to, and you could only buy it in BUSD. And of course, the other exchange that you maybe have is KuCoin, but of course, MEXC can handle 1.4 million transactions per second. This is what they claim. So we decided to partner up and give you guys a nice little bonus right here. Make sure you go ahead and click, and you must deposit money, guys. So in order to be eligible, you have to deposit money. In order to be eligible, you can't just create an account. So this is pretty much free money, nothing too crazy. I think that's amazing incentive. And let's have a look at Lunc Penguin real quick. Top burning entities / wallet. Guess who's number 2? MEXC Central Exchange, which is exactly this one. So if you're a lunatic, if you're a Luna fan, if you're a Luna holder or hodler, there's no reason why you shouldn't go ahead and change to MEXC Exchange, because it looks like they're going to be supporting the burn. They keep donating, they keep burning, and it's fantastic. Things are very good, guys. Of course, you got the Lunc DAO that donated, you got Binance users, you got KuCoin users, which is nothing compared to what MEXC Exchange did. So yeah, if you are a MEXC Global fan already, you're not eligible unless you do create a new account. But if you are new and you have never been or you've never participated in MEXC Exchange, you've never signed up for it, go ahead and click that link in my description below, guys. Going back to Terra Luna real quick, something that I did want to mention is that right here we are ranked 207. Okay, that is okay, but guess what? That is not accurate, because the market cap right here is 1.7 billion, and the circling supply is verified data. So this is accurate. It's not like it's not. So we got 1.7 billion market cap, and where are we? Why are we ranked 207? I mean, we are higher than for online or Filecoin, ApeCoin, Internet Computer, VeChain, Algorand. So actually, Terra Luna Classic is actually in the top 30 coin. It's a top 30, 31 coin right here. It should be between VeChain and Algorand, somewhere around here, and we're not. Quite interesting, right? So this is that, guys, on Terra Luna. I mean, things are working very well. Things like, it seems like people are getting a lot of interest in Terra Luna Lunc, and I think it's here to stay for at least a short term. But before I get into that, guys, look at that. When I made the video, we were right here, okay? And I'm probably gonna be a little bit too late, but this is just a short, small technical analysis that I wanted to make. Of course, guys, things are not going to go up forever. I mean, maybe it will in the future, but in the shorter term, extremely short term, we're going to need a correction, especially after exploding, okay? So not only we were oversold on the RSI right here, we know anything that's above 70 is overbought, right? So when we're above 70, investors are going to be looking to sell. And when we're below 30, investors are going to be looking to buy. So right now, we're actually nearing that 30 area. That would be a good area to essentially buy. Now another thing is right here, as you guys can see, we are holding the support right now. We got rejected slightly right here, as you guys can see, very shortly. I don't know if it's gonna hold, but we do have a nice little box right here. Of course, this box right here is a nice little support line. And another thing that I do want to talk about is a double pattern or M pattern that Terra Luna had. So we were entering this nice little symmetrical triangle, and usually when we enter symmetrical triangle coming from the bottom, we usually break to the top, but this was not not the case. So let's go back real quick. This is an M pattern breakout, double bottom, double top, right? This is exactly what happened. Now, where are we going? What is happening? How can we calculate the target of this double pattern? Well, if you take this right here and you bring it to the downside and then you put it at the breakout, which was right here, our target is actually exactly this box right here. So wait, now you're saying, wait, so I should buy now? Yes, I'm actually going to be buying right now. And I told everyone in my group chat on my signal below that this would be a good area to buy, anywhere between 0.23 to 0.25. Okay, and this is exactly what happened. And as you guys can see right now, as I'm making this video, we are getting rejected. Now, maybe this doesn't hold. Maybe we go down further or lower, but it doesn't matter. Look at that. We have this nice little box supporting us. And after that, we have another box supporting us right here. So we got a bunch of support regions holding this whole chart right here. And in my opinion, guys, I mean, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we're just going up in a straight line, and corrections are healthy. Corrections are okay. In order for Luna or Lunc to be stronger again, it has to come back down. It has to correct. We need to pull back, and that's the only way to essentially come stronger. We need to do something like this, okay? So charts usually are not going to go up in a straight line. We went parabolic enough. If you guys saw my last video from 2 days ago, I mentioned that we were getting ready for an 80% pump, okay? And this is exactly what happened. We took off right here and boom, 91%. So we went over my limit, okay? This was the parabolic sequence that I was talking about, and this is not over in my opinion. I think that we're going to continue. This is just a slight little correction. As you guys can see right here, we were a little bit overbought. We know what happens when we're overbought, right? Look, we were overbought right here, as you guys can see, but it didn't seem overbought, right? Because it was nothing. We pumped a little bit, came back down, pumped again, once again, came back down, pumped again. And again, we had that nice little correction right here, had that nice little correction again right here, and then had that nice little move again, and now we're coming back down again. So this is not a crazy thing. We've seen these corrections multiple times in the past, especially in the past 7 days, I would say, on Lunc, Terra Luna Classic. And of course, guys, something that you need to look at is Bitcoin and the whole market is dumping, and Terra Luna right now is literally one of the only coins that is up 13-14%. Yes, we got Matic up 0.28%. The rest is bleeding. The rest is crashing. Everything is tanking. I mean, look at that. Bitcoin 1.83, Kadena 1.7, Flux 7%, everything. AVAX, Filecoin, Solana 3%. Everything is just getting destroyed, and then boom, we got Lunc right here holding this line. So this is my short technical analysis on Lunc, guys, and of course my video on the MEXC global exchange. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.